Astrology channel. So we have Shikha Makhija ji with us. She's a Vastu expert, and she's teaching us Vastu course which is starting on 6th of Feb. Yeah, 4th Feb we have introductory sessions. It starts on 6th. So Shikha ji, tell us about Vastu.
Yes. I feel Vastu plays an important role in our life. After our karma, there are two things which affect our life. That is our destiny and Vastu, 50% each. If in my destiny I have a very good chart, but my Vastu is not correct, so I will get those things because it is destined, but I will get it after many obstructions. If my Vastu is perfect, these obstructions will not matter, will not come in my way, and everything will go on smoothly.
Okay.
In the same way, if I have a good Vastu, but if I have a bad chart, then things will happen, but they will happen in a settled manner. I will not get angry on those same things. I will not react in a bad way. Intensity will reduce. Yeah. And the things will happen peacefully. The bad period will be there, but it will go off peacefully.
Okay.
That is where Vastu comes in.
Okay.
We have lost this Vastu Shastra in the past centuries, but now again it has come out due to the internet and everything. People are now more aware of it. It's totally a science. It is not ki we do tukebaji or whatever. It is totally a scientific lessons in Vastu.
Okay. So, ma'am, Vastu is based on energies of the house?
Yeah, Vastu is basically based on three things. That is, first is the direction, second is the energy, that is Urja, and the third is elements.
Okay.
This Vastu is a combination of these three things. When I or anyone forms a relation between these three things, then we get a perfect helix. This helix carries all the positive energies. When we have some Vastu dosha, then this helix is broken and the energy is stopped over there.
Okay.
So for the energy to continue, we do the Vastu remedies.
Okay. And can you also give us an example?
Yeah, example is
From your previous experience too.
Yeah, sure. This helix formation is again very important. What is helix formation? It is there in each and every atom. If you know the structure of the atom, the electron always moves in a helical direction. So each and everything in universe goes in a helical form.
Okay.
Even the RNA of our body, DNA of our body is in the helix form.
Correct.
A simple example of this was, like nowadays from 2 years, I am relating astrology to Vastu. A friend approached me recently. She said कि my daughter has recently become very disturbed. She is having some mental problems and everything. So I just asked her one question. What is there in the northeast of your home? So she also knows some Vastu, but still I had to guide her about proper northeast direction, and finally we found out that she has a main door entrance in the northeast.
So,
And there,
sorry.
I'm sorry, let me complete this. There, in the main entrance, she has used black colored tiles and granite in the northeast direction, and she has a shoe rack directly in front of the main door, which was creating a big dosha in her house.
Okay.
So after finding the dosha, I told her a very simple remedy, and finally, when the daughter was facing problems, the daughter had left her studies. After we did this remedy, the daughter started studying again and appeared for her final exams.
Okay.
She wasted 2 years.
Sad. So, ma'am, I was asking about direction. So, is it like when you said I told her about the proper northeast? Is it different, like how people generally calculate and how experts calculate?
To calculate directions is very important in Vastu. If I don't get a proper direction, then how do I do the remedies? Because if the degrees change, so does my element theory, my Urja theory, everything changes.
Okay.
So to get a proper direction, to get a proper degree is what is my important lesson, one of my important lessons in Vastu course.
Okay. Okay. That's really great, ma'am. So, ma'am, will as our course starts, I'll post the link of this course.
Okay, the content of my Vastu course is more of remedies and doshas than about the general things like if the northeast is cut, so what is the result? That you can find it anywhere. So the remedies are very simple. My Guruji has taught me remedies to remember in a simple way. There are people come out with thousands and thousands of remedies which are nearly impossible to remember. But this, you can remember it in 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes you give to my chart of remedies and you will be in. Of course, by practicing this Vastu, then only you will come to know how much, where, how. That is a different thing.
Okay.
But you know what remedy I have to do in each direction.
That's good. That's very important.
That's the important thing.
Because people often give the analysis, but it's
The
important to
remedy
stress on
part,
the
yeah. The remedy part is generally avoided by teachers because they feel that students should come and contact them again. This will not be the case with me. And besides this, I will also support you in any of your cases for 6 months. For further 6 months, you can contact me anytime.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah. Thank you so much.